The filter-free diary. Uh,
Good morning. It's about maybe 9:30. I'm thinking it's possibly close to 9:30. Yeah, I'm up. I'm not laying in bed. I'm having a day. Okay, so what I want to talk to you about today is lightning and numbers. There's gonna be a little bit of numbers in there, but not a lot of numbers. Just mostly lightning. Lightning. Lightning is like really cool. And I want to talk to you about lightning because, well, you'll see. So, so the way lightning works is not actually, electricity from the sky coming down to the ground. It looks cool like that, in cartoons and movies and shows and stuff. But lightning doesn't strike the earth like that. The way it actually works is a lot like kind of how electricity works here on the ground with wires. There's a positive side and a negative side, and the energy is flowing between there. And if it's AC current, it's doing one of these, like a tug of war back and forth. If it's DC current, like in a car, it's just doing these. Ooh, going this way, over and over, going in one direction over and over. So what I actually want to talk about is neither AC nor DC. It's literally the electricity itself, the energy, the lightning. So the negative charge starts on the earth, and the positive charge starts up in the clouds. And interestingly enough, that makes the earth a giant lightning rod. In case you didn't realize that. So the earth gets more negative and more negative and more negative until it starts to basically develop like a lead. And the clouds get more positive and more positive and more positive until it develops like a lead, right? And then what happens is these two leads basically meet in the middle. And as soon as they meet in the middle, that is what makes the visual manifestation of lightning, right? So it's not lightning coming down from the planet. It's not lightning rising up from the planet. It's both, but when they meet in the middle, when they meet, is when it actually manifests into lightning, into the bolt that you can see. That doesn't start at the top, doesn't start at the bottom. Technically starts in the middle and then both ways out. Did you know that? It's crazy, right? That's crazy awesome though, right? It's crazy awesome. And the reason I want to talk about lightning is because that design, that meet in the middle and branch out design, has a reflection in the numbers. Has a very special reflection in the numbers. You might remember a couple of weeks ago I told you That 5 was a special number because it has no reflection, right? Because 1 reflects a 9, 2 reflects an 8, 3 reflects a 7, 4 reflects a 6. 5 doesn't reflect anything. Well, it can technically, right? Because if 1 can reflect a 9, then can't a 1 also technically reflect a negative 9? Oh, yeah. So if a 1 can reflect a negative 9, then can't a 5 reflect a negative 5? Yeah. And if a negative 5 is reflecting a 5, isn't technically that 5 a positive 5? Yeah. So is the negative 5 on the earth and the positive 5 is up in the clouds, and when they meet in the middle, what is that? What is that? Think about it. What could that be? Yeah. That's a fucking 0! Yeah, that's a fucking 0. So, I just wanted to explain that to you because we've talked a little bit about a 5. And now we're explaining one of the very cool things a 5 can do. 5s can do a lot of things. High five! Okay, I'm done. Have a good day.